Alright guys, let's get into this video. This is going to be the, I did an exhaust on my truck earlier this year, or not this year, but last year. I haven't had a chance to get the updated video. I've been trying to see what it feels like and what it sounds like over the past year before I did the full review on this exhaust. This is the MBRP 4-inch, this is the XP series, not the installer series. This is the one with the 409 stainless, cap back, no resonator in the middle of it. So let's get you into this video. There's going to be I'm going to pause it. I'm going to basically go from the pre-install, which is basically the stock exhaust at the first part of the video. I'm going to go cut in the middle of it with another little tidbit, and I'm going to then go to the second bit, which has the final after the install and what it sounds like and looks like. Thank you guys, and let's get into this. So that, guys, was basically the stock exhaust sound, what it sounded like. And be warned, this second half you may need headphones because the new exhaust is a lot louder than the old one. It's got a much deeper, meaner tone to it. It's a lot nicer. It's just a better all-around exhaust. The truck's a lot more responsive with the throttle now. I have not installed a cold air intake on this yet. That will be next year. I am definitely going to do a cold air intake next year. So once I get the cold air intake, I will show you guys what it looks like and sounds like after the cold air intake, and I'm going to do the blow-off valve conversion kit so that I'm doing a VTA conversion kit on this thing next year. So let's get into this, and let's get you the second half of this to what the new exhaust sounds like and looks like. Thank you guys. Headphone users, be warned, this will be loud. So guys, this is the end of the review of this product that I just went through. If you guys like it, comment on the video. If you guys absolutely love it, hit that thumbs up button. Like and subscribe to my videos. I will be posting quite a few more. So thank you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.